Okay, we have a Mori-Seiki vertical machining center, model NV5001A/40, serial number NV501HK5945. Machine was new in 2009. We're running right now 4,000 RPM. Machine goes up to 20,000 RPM. It has a Mori-Seiki MSX 501 Roman numeral 3 control with 7,500 RPM with Fanuc drives and motors. 10,000 RPM. Again, the machine goes up to 20,000 RPM. It has a Cat 40 spindle, 12,000 RPM. Cat 40 spindle, 30 ATC automatic tool changer. You have a 43.3 by 23.6 table size with a 31.5 X travel 20.1Y 20.1Z. That was a tool change. There's another. That's your X. Your Y, and your Z. All right, machine has cooling through, and hey, it's here in Harrison, New Jersey. Thank you for watching our video.